I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and let's look at Apple in today's free video. As I'm doing this video, I'm watching a replay of Cramer's interview with of Tim Cook on Mad Money, and it's kind of an interesting interview. He's essentially saying like, hey, over 2 years we're growing really fast, like 70%. China's smartphone market isn't really generally growing, but we're doing pretty good. So he's putting a good face on Apple's, on the company, the growth, etc., etc. And that's fine. But I got a trade for you here. And members, I'm going into this, and I'm talking about this too in our strategy session. But this is a stock that's down where it has rebounded multiple times before. I could say even here, even though these are pretty close together, they're actually several days apart in the way the market was gyrating around here. This was literally like a bunch of different tests. So 5, 6. This is about the 7th time that Apple's down here. And, if at first you don't succeed, try on the 8th time. I would look at this as a good opportunity to buy right now with Apple as a counter trend trade. You'd keep a stop just a little bit below this level because, after all, at some point or another, when support is tested enough, ultimately it's probably going to fail if it hasn't first rallied away and broken through what turned out to be a base. Right now, we don't see this as being a base, not yet. Top, double top, triple top. So this is really the topping pattern here. Reversal coming down here with lower highs, lower lows. But you can see this could very well turn out to be a base. What I'm suggesting is that you literally trade this pattern, a descending flat triangle, looking for this kind of bounce, because all that's going to be doing is perpetuating the pattern that we've seen so far. So you're taking your shot. This is a really good trading opportunity. It's a good buy point because it's low risk. The stock will probably, but who knows for sure, will probably get a pop tomorrow morning because of Cramer's interview of Tim Cook on Mad Money, and Cramer loves Apple. So you probably see this move a little bit, but I'm just saying this is a low risk entry point because you're buying the stock so close to where you'd say, oh crap, I'm wrong, the stock's moving lower, and you get out with a small loss. So this is a stock that you can buy. I'd say if it moves back up to 100, you better watch it closely. Probably a logical place for traders to sell. So anyway, that's our free chart video. Members, we're looking at some of the aerospace as well as some retail stocks that are working. So got several very, very actionable trades in our strategy session. And by the way, if you have not tried Stock Market Mentor, first 30 days are on me, so give that a shot. And my bet is you're going to make some money during your free trial.